In this video, I'm going to show you how to add GivePulse to your Canvas course. If you're teaching a service learning course at Mercer, you will have an automatically created course page in BearPulse. All traditional undergraduate service learning courses are required to have students log their service hours in the BearPulse system. And the easiest way to help your students do that is to link your course page in Canvas to your course page in BearPulse. To start, go ahead and open up your course in Canvas. Locate the Settings button in the left navigation menu and click on Settings. Look at the tabs at the top and make sure that you are selecting the Navigation tab. And now you'll see all the possible menu button options that you can list for your students to access in your course. This is the active buttons list, and this is the disabled buttons list. Look in the disabled buttons list for GivePulse and click on the 3 vertical dots on the right side of the GivePulse button. You'll see a pop-up menu that says Enable or Move. If you click Move, you can drag and drop it. If you click Enable, it will automatically move the GivePulse button into the active buttons list. This will make it visible to students and create the link between your course in Canvas and your course in BearPulse. Once you've moved GivePulse to the active button list, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Save. Then go ahead and go to the top of the navigation menu, click Home, so you can go back to your main page. And you'll notice the GivePulse button is now visible and active in the menu option. You know that it's active because it does not have the canceled eye icon next to it. Go ahead and click on the GivePulse button in your page, and you'll actually see the GivePulse website, or BearPulse as it's branded for Mercer, pop up within your Canvas page. If you are not already logged into BearPulse, you may be prompted to log in using your Mercer credentials, and once you do that, it should pull up your course page. So this is the management side for the professor. Students will not see this page. What students will see is this page, and they'll have the option to come in, add service hours by clicking Add Impact, and engage with each other in this platform.